Assalamu alaikum class, very good evening to you. Welcome to all of you in English class. This video lecture is related to I know and I can match letters. So come and let's learn with me. Already you have learned these letters. आपने पहले से ये letter learn कर लिए थे. Already you have write it. And now it's your assessment. You have to write the first letter of the given pictures. First picture is zebra. So zebra starting letter is Z. So you have to write Z. The next is ox, starting letter is O. York, york starting letter is Y. Kite, key, these both starting letter is K. X, X-ray, so starting letter is X. Next one is zip picture. So zip starting letter is Z. Last picture is given here, that one is cattle. So cattle starting letter is K. You have to write all these letters and you should write small letters, okay. Next question is circle the correct letter for the given picture. So you have to recognize all given pictures and done it by yourself. I am not going to tell you how you have to recognize these picture and circle the correct letter. Dear class, one more page is here for you. So you have to name the pictures and match them to the letters. The beginning with अपने सर्च करना है कि कौन सी पिक्चर का स्टार्टिंग साउंड क्या है. Then you have to match it. First one is fish. So fish starting sound is F. You have to find letter F and then match it. Next one is insect. Insect starting sound is IE. So you have to find it and match it. Next one is arrow. Nest, engine. Arrow starting letter is A. Nest starting letter is N. And engine starting letter is EA. You have to find it and match it. In the second row you can see first picture is given here, watch, watch, ox, van, zebra, kite. So you have to find all these letters and match it with the correct letter. Okay class, do your work very carefully and take care of yourself. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.